Textures affect how a space feels and functions. It refers to the surface quality of a material which can be experienced either through touch or observed indirectly through the eye. Texture helps to keep a space from feeling flat. It's one of the design elements which is just one of the components that we use to design a space. Texture is one way we can create contrast and variety in different layers of dimension in a space. Layering textures prevent a room from feeling flat or boring. Soft textures make a space feel cozy, inviting, and comfortable. Hard textures are easy to clean and add sophistication. Mix soft and hard textures to create contrast and depth. Rougher textures in general may grab our attention a little bit more because there is more contrast going on. Too much of one texture can overwhelm a space, while too little can make it feel flat. For example, pair smooth leather with soft wool or velvet, or combine rough wood with a sleek metal, or pair rustic wooden table with a sleek glass vase. Matte and glossy surfaces can influence light reflection and maintenance. Textures can change the perception of a space. Glossy smooth textures reflect light and make a room feel larger. Rough matte textures absorb light and create warmth in large spaces. Light textiles like rag wraps can make a space feel cozy. Natural light highlights rough, organic textures, and soft lighting enhance cozy plush textures. While mixing textures is good, too many conflict elements can create chaos. Stick to a cozy material palette that fits the room theme. For example, in modern style, use sleek metal, smooth glass, polished stone, and for rustic style, reclaimed wood, woven fabrics, and raw stone. Consider seasonal texture. In colder months, add wool blanket and heavy drapes. In warmer months, use light linen, cotton fabrics, and airy woven accents. Organic materials also bring texture to a space, like wood, stone, and plants. You can add texture through accessories. Small details can make a big impact. For example, woven baskets for storage and an earthy feel, ceramic vases with a rough or glazed texture, handmade pottery with imperfection for a more organic look. Here are some examples of using different textures in various home spaces to create depth, warmth, and visual interest. For example, living room for wall, use smooth painted walls with a textured brick or stone accent wall. A sofa, velvet or linen sofa paired with a leather armchair for contrast. A plush wool or shaggy rug over hardwood floors for warmth. Through pillows and blankets, mix of knitted, faux fur, and embroidered fabrics. A raw wood or marble coffee table to balance the softness. Woven blankets for storage and ceramic vases for texture variation. In bedroom for walls, you can use matte painted walls with a fabric or wood paneled headboard. For bedding, layered cotton sheets and the chalky knit through. Silk or velvet decorative pillows for contrast. Soft carpet or a light wool rug over wooden floors. Rattan painted lights for an organic feel. A mix of smooth lacquered nightstands with a rough textured wooden dresser. For kitchen, for backsplash, textured softwood tiles or natural stone tiles for depth. For cabinets, a mix of matte and glossy finishes for contrast, using a smooth marble or quartz with subtle veining for countertop. And also you can use textured stone tiles or wood planks for warmth for flooring.